Welcome to the Protrak Advanced Product Quality Planning, or APQP, overview. In this video, we'll walk through how APQP provides a structured approach to plan, develop, and launch products that meet customer and industry requirements. APQP helps organizations reduce risks, prevent defects, and ensure on-time product launches. It connects planning, design, manufacturing, validation, and continuous improvement into one integrated framework. APQP is widely used in industries like automotive, manufacturing, and engineering-driven environments. It involves cross-functional teams including design, manufacturing, quality, suppliers, and program management. Each team collaborates using standardized documents, reviews, and milestones across the product lifecycle. This ensures clear expectations, strong process control, and consistent product quality from concept to production. Once users log in, Protrak presents a role-based dashboard with clear, actionable items tailored to each function. Every user sees only what is relevant to their responsibilities, eliminating unnecessary information. For example, program managers see the planning-related activities, while manufacturing engineer define manufacturing flow and workstation. This role-specific visibility ensures clarity, faster decisions, and quicker actions across the APQP process. Let's take a closer look at how APQP works through its key phases.